Hello everyone. In our previous sessions, we learned about how to create and index Pandas data frame. Now we will focus on how to view and analyze data in Pandas. This is crucial for understanding the structure of datasets before performing operations on them. Data frame analysis is important as it helps us to understand data structure before processing. It allows quick inspections of large datasets and it is useful for detecting missing values and data types. When working with large data sets, it's inefficient to print the entire data frame. Instead, pandas provide functions to quickly view parts of it. And some of the functionalities are head, tail, and info. The head function displays the first few rows of a data frame. So for the head functionality, within its argument, we will pass the number and it will print the n number of rows that are passed as an argument. If we do not pass any value, it will print 5 default rows. Same way, tail function shows the last few rows of a data frame based on the provided number. If we have not provided any number, then it will print the last 5 rows. And the last info function provides a summary of the data frame including column names, data types and missing values. To understand that, let us go to the VS Code and consider one example. Here, one dataset is provided having the columns, component, material and weight, and its relevant data is provided in the format of list. This data is passed into the data frame. Now, suppose we do not want to print all the data. In place of that, we want to print first 3 rows only. So for that, we will use the functionality within print function df.head and within its argument 3 is passed. So it will print the first 3 rows of the data frame. Now in place of that, suppose we want to print the last 2 rows only. So for that, we will type df.tell and within its argument we have passed 2. And to check the information of the data frame, we may directly use the functionality df.info. To check the output, let us run the program. So first you can see that it is displaying only 3 rows of the data frame, that is bolt, steel 10, nut, brass and 5 and washer, aluminium and 3. But remaining data is not printed. In the second, with the tail functionality, it will print only last 2 rows of the data frame, that is pin, copper and 7 and rivet, steel and 8. Next, info functionality provide the information about the data frame, that is the range index is 6. Entries are from 0 to 5, that is index position is from 0 to 5. It has total 3 columns. The index are 0, 1, 2. Columns are component, material and weight. The non-null count are 6, 6, 6. That means it represents that there is no missing value. The data type for these columns are for the first 2 object and for the weight it is being the int 64. So the total data types are int 64 1 times and the object 2 times. And the memory used with this data being the 276 bytes. Now suppose if we have not provided the argument in the head and tail functionality, then by default it will consider the 5 rows from the starting or 5 rows from the last. So again, let us run the program. So here you can see that first 5 rows are printed and then last 5 rows are printed and the information data will remain same. So in today's lecture, we learned how to quickly analyze pandas data frame using head, tail and info functions. These functions help in understanding dataset structure before performing further manipulation. In our next session, we will explore how to manipulate the data frame data. Thank you for joining this session. Keep practicing and see you soon in the next session.